In this video, I'll be showing you how to zoom in on Premiere Pro. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, even if you don't have the latest version of Premiere Pro, you can also do this on other ones as well. But for example, I'll just go ahead and open up any project. So I'll open up this one right here and then just wait for it to. Now, as you can see, I have this image here, but it's not fully scaled. So if I want to go ahead and zoom in, what I can do is I just want to make sure that it's highlighted on my timeline. Then go up to effect controls and I'm going to see scale as one of the options. Now I can just scale it up as much as I want. Then I can change the position as well. So I can go left to right with this side. I can go up and down with this side. So if I want to focus on the car, I can just go over here and just change these. And I'm just like using my mouse to change the position and stuff like that. You can obviously type in numbers if you want to as well by double clicking like so. But I just prefer sliding like this. And what I can also do is I can do a little tracking thing. So if I want to change the scale and position, I can press these little things, add a keyframes, put them at the start, and then I can just zoom in like so. And then I can put these two keyframes at the very end. So now it's going to look something like this. Obviously, that's a massive thing. But what I can do is I can put this all the way over here. And now when I go ahead and play it, as you can see, there's like a slow zoom on it. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.